Hey all. All right, so in 1 minute, I'm going to show you how you can make your own memes in Quizizz to really kind of ramp up the fun and the relationship building. Because yeah, there's a bunch of pre-made ones, but like I think making your own really kind of brings it home. All right, so check it out. I'm just going to highlight a couple of teachers and you'll be able to see what they do. So this is Amanda Sandoval, and she uses her Bitmoji to make a whole bunch of different positive memes. And you can see all the different ways she's saying, like, seriously, you're a genius, and everyone is jealous, and all sorts of things, of course, to make your students hopefully feel pretty good. But then I'm going to use Mr. Bemis over here, Dan Bemis. He kind of crushes it in the world of like incorrect memes, which I love, working with middle school students in particular. So again, you can look at some of the ones that he has here of just like including his own name about getting questions wrong. And that'd be great if you got one right. And if you want to make them, it's so ridiculously easy. My favorite way is go to Canva, search for meme. You'll see a whole bunch of templates, and then just take them, open them, and then modify however you want to modify for your classroom. And then it's so easy. So once you're there, and then you simply just go to memes, and you can just kind of make your own meme, create a new meme set, and then just upload them from your computer. So easy, and it really ramps up the fun in your classroom.